Discover luxury living at Campus Edge on Pierce, West Lafayette. This student accommodation is a premium life subscription. These charming studios and lavish 1 to 4 bedroom apartments boast fully equipped kitchens with stainless steel appliances, built-in dining areas, walk-in closets, full-sized washer and dryers, Nest thermostats, flat panel TVs, and private terraces. Dive into the pool, relax in the hot tub, or chill on the sun deck. Crush your fitness goals in the gym, stretch it out in the yoga space, sweat in the cycling studio, or unwind in the sauna. Study smarter in community lounges with blazing fast Wi-Fi and free printing. Then switch gears with foosball, billiards, or an outdoor movie night with barbecue from the grill. With 24-hour staff, on-site maintenance, and secure parking, convenience is always available. Here's the best part. Purdue University and Indiana University School of Medicine West Lafayette are just minutes away, so getting to campus is a breeze. With nearby bus stops like Grant Street and Wood Street and Lafayette's Amtrak station, traveling is hassle-free. Get your spot in Campus Edge on Pierce, West Lafayette via amberstudent.com.